How to turn off page reviews notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page reviews notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines at the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down. Here you will find settings, and now just click not settings, click pages, and then select your page and click this icon in the top corner and then notifications, and click on Facebook. Here you will find it, just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.